Pull-out cutting board. This multifunctional pull-out cutting board is a genius way to add extra preparation space to any workshop or kitchen only when necessary, without restricting the free space availability while not in use. It's a great solution to optimize the use of space in small spaces, especially in the kitchen. Space-saving sofa bed. This comfy sofa is a great option in small spaces. It offers a comfortable sleeping surface that will enhance restful sleep. It can expand easily and has a storage box positioned under the seat. Excellant Micro Living. The design concept of micro living, especially when equipped with LED lighting and hardware from Excellant, is really an exercise in discovering opportunities. Whether converting 1 square foot or 100 square feet, the idea is about purposefully designing and outfitting a small space to do the work of a larger one. In other words, a space that can change at will based on the user's need at a particular moment and then returns just as simply. In addition, motions like sliding, folding, and hinging facilitate effortless transitions from one domestic activity to another. So now we can safely say that the future has come, and the smart home concept no longer seems like a fantasy from science fiction movies. Understarer's storage. Adding sliding drawers is a good way to maximize staircase storage space that would otherwise go to waste. It also offers a way to hide unsightly items, making them great for tiny homes that lack closet space. So with just a little creativity, you can transform your staircase area into a functional living or storage. You'll love it. Split sofa cum bed. This multifunctional sofa is one most intelligently designed pieces. It has more to offer than what meets the eyes. A 3-seater that splits into a revolving 2-seater with an expendable coffee table in between. Eventually, it turns into twin beds. Wall mount smart electric fireplace. Wall-mounted electric fireplaces are a great way to experience having a real fire in your home without the unit taking up too much space. This electric fireplace is armed with a black mantle for a modern look. It offers a multi-angle flame display, Wi-Fi enabled, smartphone compatible, premium LED flame display.